Hi, I'm Donna Smith. I operate Duncam Services, an event planning business, and our focus is on creating special corporate and personal events. From our experience, events run more efficiently when an event planner is hired. So here are Duncam Services' top 10 original reasons to hire an event planner. Number 10, we'll help you establish a budget. Number 9, we'll help you decide on a date. Number 8, we'll source out a venue for you. Number 7, we will negotiate tables, chairs, glasses, and more. Number 6, we'll help you with a theme if required. Number 5, we will organize the entertainment if necessary. Number 4, we will organize the media if needed. Number 3, we will organize all of your catering needs. Number 2, we will organize and work the entire event. Number 1, of course, we relieve the stress, save time, and make the event a memorable one. As you can see, there's lots to consider when planning an event. So for your next event, please call Duncam Services. Thank you for watching.